Hello everyone, and thank you so much for coming to this video. I'm going to show you a demo of the AI risk scoring agent, and it's one of the use case of AI agents for the internal audit and compliance teams. Now this AI agent is going to help you automate your risk scoring process with the help of AI, and it will help you improve the accuracy by 90%. It can help you reduce the time for the risk management and risk assessment process by 75%, and it can 100% automate your risk scoring process. Now the current challenge that many of the risk management teams are facing is they are doing the risk assessment manually, and it creates inconsistent scoring, delayed responses, and subjective evaluations that expose organizations to compliance gaps. Now with this AI powered solution, you can automate your risk scoring system, which will deliver the consistent, objective, and real time risk assessments with intelligent mitigation and recommendations. The critical problem that we are solving is that 67% of the organizations struggle with risk assessment consistency. 40% of the time is wasted on manual risk scoring, and the average days of risk assessment are around 3 to 5 days. So that's the average time spent on risk assessment. Now with this AI powered solution, it's an AI agent that will do the complete risk scoring and risk management, and also it will generate a dashboard which can be presented to your chief audit executive or to your CXOs. Now it is a smart form, and the user have to fill this form, have to fill the observations data into that form, and that data will be saved in a database, and then it will go to the AI analysis engine, and it will generate the risk scores automatically and different other features related to it, and then the same analysis will be auto assigned to the specific risk owners for to input their mitigation plan, and also based upon all the analysis they will give us the final risk scores, like what they think related to their experience. So it's kind of a risk scoring AI agent with human in the loop, because we are not going to challenge the human experience at this time, but we are going to create a risk scoring agent that will be closely working with the human. And here are the different components of this risk scoring AI agent. A live form, it is created using n@n. The AI analysis engine is created using this n@n, a no code or low code tool. We can use OpenAI models or Cloud AI, or you can use your own local models also. Airtable database is used for saving all the data, and it has the email integration also. These are the features that are the fields that the users have to input in order to feed into the AI risk engine, AI analysis engine, and then the AI analysis engine will generate the AI risk score, the confidence level assessment, risk keywords, risk category, urgency level, mitigation suggestions, and pattern recognition and anomaly detection. It can also do these things. Now these are the different benefits. Like already mentioned, it's an end-to-end automation process with human in the loop. Now the form will be submitted. All the risk all the data related to an observation will be added by a user, by an internal auditor or any user. The data will be stored in a database. The workflow will be triggered automatically. The AI analysis engine will perform the analysis, and then all the updated data will be saved in the Airtable. Automated notifications will go to the risk owners, and they will also aid, like we are going to aid a human in the loop, which is kind of a mandated process in such type of decisions. And they will aid a mitigation plan, they will aid a final risk score, and then all of this data will again go to the another AI analysis engine, and it will improve all these things, like it will generate an AI mitigation plan, improve the mitigation plan added by the users, by the humans, and also it will save all this data in the table, and this data will be used to generate a dashboard. So I will just go have give you a quick demo. This is the user interface, and it will be visible in front of the auditors or whoever is doing this risk assessment process, and they will just fill this form. For example, I'm going to quickly fill this form in order to save our time, and then the risk level is high, control effectiveness is very low, and I will also add an observation, just a sample observation, and I will now all these details are added to this here, to this AI compliance engine, this database. Here are the data that has been added. Now the AI compliance engine, this engine is running backend, and it will generate confidence level, urgency level, mitigate risk keywords, risk category, and all of this data will be feed in the, like here, it will be added here again. And just look at this one, AI risk score is generated, confidence level and everything other is generated, all of these things are generated. And then we will get an email. Just look at this one, we will get an email here. Here I have received an email observation. Hi, I have received all of these details, and the AI generated risk score is inherently initial risk level or inherent risk level is this one. And I will click on this form, and now I have the risk owner has to add, for example, for this risk observation ID, the final risk score is for example 8, and mitigation plan, in order to conclude this process quickly. And approval status is pending, and then I will submit. Now all this data will again upload to this form, to this, and all of this data is uploaded here. Just look at this one, just look at this one. Here is the mitigation plan that the user has added. Now again the risk scoring agent, this agent will now run, this engine will now initiate, and now it will add a risk mitigation plan, AI mitigation suggestions, in order to like actually this is going to improve the whole process of risk scoring and risk assessment. And all of this data can be used to generate such a dashboard. For example, I generated this dashboard, the total risk observations, critical risk items, average AI risk score, mitigation completion, confidence level, and potential risk exposure. And such type of dashboard can be generated, interactive, a really good looking dashboard can be generated with all the trends and everything. And this is kind of a demo of all this process. So if you just want to have a quick demo, like one-to-one demo with me, then you can just connect with me. And thank you so much for your time.